Hi everyone, in this video I will let you know how to use Fillet in AutoCAD 2025. Let's start. First we will create a line, click on line from the ribbon, specify the first point and I will give the distance 100 and this is 50. Now we will use Fillet, type here F, enter. Now we have to type here R for radius, enter. Now you have to input your radius. I will give radius 10, enter. Now we have to select this line and this line. We will take another example. This time we will create a rectangle. And this is 150, tab, 100, enter. Again type F and type R for radius, and here I will give the input radius 20. Enter. Select this one. Again press enter. Or once you type M, you don't need to enter again and again. This one radius, this one. So we can use multiple radius. So now we will draw a polyline again. Type PL. This one, and here I will use some odd angles. Again use F for fillet and type R for radius, and this time I will use radius 25. Press enter. Now I want to fillet this point, this point, this point, and I will use M for multiple. Enter. This point to this point, so no need to enter, no need to press again and again. So in this way we can use a fillet command in AutoCAD. To use a fillet in AutoCAD 3D, how we can do that? Click on this gear icon and select here 3D modeling. We will delete this one. Now we are in the 3D environment. You can see the ribbon changed. Click here on Southwest Isometric View, and here we will draw a rectangle. Pick the rectangle, specify the first point, and here I will give the length 150. Then press tab from the keyboard. Give the width. I will give 100. Press tab, enter. Zoom and extend. To extrude this one, we have to click here extrude. Select the rectangle, give the extrusion height 100, enter, zoom and extend. If you want to see in the solid, click here on conceptual. You can see in the solid. To apply a fillet on this box, we have to click on solid, and here we have to click on fillet edges, and below here we have to type a radius. Type R for radius and give your radius input. I will give 20. Press enter and select edge. Press enter. So in this way you can apply a fillet in solid edges. Again select fillet edges. Select this one, press enter in one shot. You can apply the fillet. You can apply the fillet in any shapes in AutoCAD 3D. Hope you understood how we can apply a fillet in AutoCAD 2D as well as in AutoCAD 3D.